What if I told you that becoming rich isn't just about luck, money, or working 100 hours a week? It's about something way more powerful, your mindset. Hey, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into one of the most important topics that can completely change your life: the psychology of the rich, how millionaires think. Chapter 1. Rich people see money as a tool, not a goal. Let's start with this. Rich people don't chase money for the sake of having money. They don't sit there counting bills or flexing their bank account every 5 minutes. They see money as a tool. A tool to buy time, freedom, options. Not to escape life, but to build the kind of life they want to live. Example, let's say you earn $100,000 a year. Sounds great, right? But if you're stuck in a job you hate, with no free time, drowning in stress, you're not free. Now imagine earning $60,000 a year, remotely, from a laptop, while traveling or spending time doing what you love. That's how millionaires think. Money equals leverage. Chapter 2. They play the long game. Most people, they want it now. Now money, now success, now clout, now dopamine. Millionaires, they plant seeds. They're farmers, not hunters. They're not trying to bag some quick win every day. They're focused on long-term growth, investing in skills, businesses, assets, and relationships. You might not see results tomorrow. You might not even see them in a year. But when you do, compound growth hits different. Think about this. If you improve just 1% a day, you'll be 37 times better by the end of the year. Chapter 3. They think in terms of value, not time. Most people trade time for money. You work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. That's a trap. Rich people trade value for money. They ask, how much value can I create? How many people can I serve? Same product, different mindset. Millionaires understand that value equals income. If you want to earn more, solve bigger problems. Help more people. Chapter 4. They run toward failure, not away from it. Here's the brutal truth: you will fail. And that's not only okay, it's necessary. While most people avoid failure like it's a disease, rich people chase it. They use it. Because here's the thing: every successful person you admire, they've failed more times than you've probably even tried. Example, Steve Jobs got fired from Apple. Michael Jordan got cut from his high school team. But what do they all have in common? They didn't stop. Chapter 5. They invest in themselves first. Ask any self-made millionaire what the best investment was, and 9/10 will tell you this: themselves. Books, courses, fitness. They understand that the most valuable asset is you. Warren Buffett said it best: the best investment you can make is in yourself. Like this video, drop a comment. What's one mindset shift you're going to apply today? And don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning.